Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. It's very easy to do, you just have to follow me step by step. At first, open your Instagram app, then go to your profile by clicking on this profile button. Then click on these three horizontal lines. Then click on this account center option. Next, scroll it down little bit and click on personal details. After that, just tap on account ownership and control. Now just tap on deactivation or deletion. Just click on your profile name. Now if you want to deactivate your account temporarily, just select deactivate. But we are here to delete our account, so select delete option and click on continue. Now just select the option why you want to delete your account. For example, I am choosing something else. After choosing the reason, just click on continue button. So this is how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.